Hello, welcome to Epiroc, product company at Nasik. We supply innovative mining equipments, attachment and services for drilling and rock excavation. Based in Stockholm, Sweden, Epiroc is a vital part of a sustainable society and a global productivity partner for mining and infrastructure customers. We ensure the safety and well-being of everyone who works for and with us. We aim to have no work-related injuries. Before you visit our plant, let me take you through the safety protocols of our company. This way, please. As a visitor, you need to check in and check out at security cabin, and you need to wear this identification badge. Always use our marked walkways and zebra crossing for walking. If you need to wait for Epiroc guide, use waiting room. Now we are entering our shop floor. Safety shoes are mandatory here. Also, open hair, loose clothing and loose jewelry is not allowed inside. We have kept safety shoes at various locations. Please use them if required. One more thing before we proceed. Don't wander off by your own. Stay close to me, okay? We have standard operating procedures defining the use of other PPEs like helmet, earplugs, hand gloves, goggles, sleeves, etc. Ask your guide for more details. Our walkways are marked in yellow lines. Do not cross them without the consent of the operator. May I cross this line? Here we have lot of assembled and sub-assembled parts which may have sharp surfaces and edges. Please do not touch them. We have overhead cranes here. Do not stand nearby or below the suspended loads ever. Pay attention. This is our machine testing area, which is a live work area. Never enter this area without the designated escorts from the persons working here. Material movement activities are priority here. Please be aware of the movements of forklift, hydra crane, pallet trucks or heavy vehicles and pay attention to your work area. Always make eye contact with forklift or stacker driver. Let's see why this is important. To achieve our objective of no work-related injuries, we promote reporting risk observations by using TIA app on your mobile. We are well prepared for handling any type of emergency situation. We have trained firefighters and evacuators in premises. If you hear fire alarm or if you feel that there is an emergency situation, do not panic. Use the nearest emergency exit and reach to the safe assembly point. If necessary, please dial our emergency contact number which we have displayed everywhere. We have trained first aiders, first aid boxes and portable AEDs at various locations. Before handling any chemical, refer Epiroc safety data sheet which are kept near first aid boxes. Always seek guidance from dangerous goods specialist for understanding signages and other details of dangerous goods. We have well-equipped ambulance available 24/7. Also, we have tie-up with nearby hospitals. If you need to attend your mobile, don't do it while walking. Look for some safe place and then attend your mobile. Epiroc cares about your safety, not only when you are at premises, but even when you are on road or at home. Please mind your state, rushing, frustration, fatigue, complacency, and ensure safe behavior all the time. Last but not the least, to improve our safety culture, your valuable suggestions are always welcome. Thank you for visiting Epiroc.